Imagine waking up to find $1 trillion vanished from the US tech industry overnight. Companies you thought were untouchable, crumbling. Jobs disappearing. And at the center of it all? A Chinese AI named DeepSeek. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality of 2025. How did we get here? And what does this mean for the future of global tech dominance? Let's dive in. DeepSeek AI wasn't always a household name. Developed by a team of Chinese engineers and backed by Beijing's ambitious AI strategy, DeepSeek started as a modest project in 2022. But by 2024, it had evolved into a game changer. With breakthroughs in natural language processing, computer vision, and autonomous systems, DeepSeek began outperforming Western AI models like OpenAI's GPT and Google's Bard. The world took notice, but not everyone was prepared for what came next. In early 2025, the unthinkable happened. DeepSeek's AI-powered platforms began dominating global markets, from cloud computing to autonomous vehicles. US tech giants like Amazon, Microsoft, and Tesla saw their market shares plummet. Investors panicked, and within weeks, over $1 trillion in market value evaporated. But how? DeepSeek's secret weapon was its ability to undercut costs while delivering superior performance. Silicon Valley was caught off guard, and the ripple effects were felt worldwide. This wasn't just an economic crisis, it was a geopolitical earthquake. The US government accused China of unfair practices, including state subsidies and data theft. Meanwhile, Beijing framed DeepSeek's success as a triumph of innovation. The AI war had begun, and the stakes couldn't be higher. With AI now at the heart of national security, both nations are racing to control the future of technology. But at what cost? As the dust settles, one question remains: what's next? Will the US bounce back with its own AI breakthroughs? Or will China's DeepSeek cement its dominance? Experts warn that without global collaboration and ethical guidelines, the AI race could spiral out of control. The story of DeepSeek isn't just about technology, it's about power, competition, and the future of humanity. The AI revolution is here, and it's changing everything. What side of history will we be on? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the stories shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.